Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I recently received a question in the comment section of how I sharp my blade to my lawn mower, and as an answer for this I decided to make a video. But first thing first, we have to put our mower upside down and take the blade out. For this I will need a 40mm wrench. I will use a circular one, but if you don't have a fixed one, works as well. Another very important aspect is to wear protection gloves, because otherwise you risk to cut yourself. So this is the blade, and here we have to sharp this one and this one, and also you have a possibility to balance in case of this is unbalanced, and I will show you probably in a separate video or even now. And for this, to sharp my blade, I use two variants. I use two kind of sharpness stones. One is a normal one, and one you can put it on the screwdriver. Like this, and then you just put it here. So this is one of the variants, and the other one, you just keep your blade on something fixed and then just sharp it. Okay, I will make one end with this one and the other end with this one, and then we're gonna make a cutting test to see which one it's better or perform better. To sharpen my blade, I use two methods of sharpening. With the spinning tool, this is for lazy guys, and I recommend it partially because the angle of the stone, it's not matching the angle of the cutting blade. It's slightly different. Because of this, you have to maintain it in a certain position, which is not the best. And the other one is just simply by doing it by the classic stone. And for this you have one movement like this and one movement like this one. I prefer the classic one. I always use it, but we're gonna do it one with this and one with that one, and we're gonna see what it performs better. For this one, you have to select a higher speed and just speed it. Let's put it here. Not too bad, as a touching feeling. And now let's use the other option. With the classic stone. So when you use the classic stone, you have a movement. You don't have only to slide it like this, but also you have a movement up and down to maximize the space of the stone in contact with the blade. I'll make it a little bit on the other side as well. It feels good. That may be enough. Now let's see which one is performed better. So this one is made by the stone, this one is made by the drilling machine and the spinning stone. Now I'll take a piece of paper which I already prepared here, and I will try to cut it. This one with the stone. Not that bad. The other one with the classic perform a little bit worse, or not. Well, it's not a clear cut, and this is 2 pieces of paper, but yeah. You still have a cut. It's up to you which option you want to try. If you ask me, I definitely recommend the manual one. It will take a little bit longer, but you can adjust and control the angle a little bit better than the spinning one. But this one, with this one you'll have probably the same result, but in a faster time. So I like this one because it's not taking too much. 5 minutes job. It's up to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just leave your question in the comment section below. Thank you very much.